My name is Keith Schimenti. I'm with CRU-Dataport, and we are the manufacturer of the removable frame and carrier disk drive products that are standardized throughout the distribution and duplication industry for digital cinema. And the product that we're speaking about is the DX115 product line. We have about 30,000 units in the field right now that are being used for the duplication and distribution of media. We have all three major distributors in line buying our product right now. We have Technicolor, Deluxe, Access IT coming on board here soon. The products have been in the industry now for about 2 years, but we have been manufacturing these products for about 22 years. This product specifically was picked for the digital cinema industry based upon its high quality and its very reasonable cost for the industry.
So was this product developed specifically for this industry, or was it in existence before they came along and saw its advantages for its industry?
That's a good question. The product was actually developed originally for use with our two largest OEMs, Dell and HP. The DX115 was a combination of requests basically from HP and Dell deciding what they wanted as a removable frame and carrier to OEM into their desktop enclosures. We came out with the DX115 originally manufactured by a company called Storacase Technology, which was owned by Kingston Technology, the memory manufacturer. But in November of 2006, Storacase closed down, and CRU-Dataport bought the designs and the rights to manufacture the DX115 product line from Storacase. It was about that same time that Technicolor came to us, and they were looking for a removable frame and carrier. We presented the DX115, and it fit the solution perfectly.
Now, I also noticed that you have a special device which is attached to the rear of the device here that allows it to have USB and SATA connectivity. Was that your invention, or how did that come into existence?
That was actually the invention of, that was a request from one of the distributors, and the owner of the company, Randy Barber, he is the one who actually came out with the design of the what we call the Move Dock, which again is a USB and eSATA docking station for the carrier itself. And the product was developed back around the same time in November of 2006, and it was designed by CRU-Dataport specifically for this industry.
So just to be clear, if you buy a media DCI player now, it will come with a docking station, like you see here, built into the unit. But that was in existence to cater for the systems that were released before that became a standard. But if you have a look at any of the systems here today, they will all have the docking port built into the player. And just so I can be clear, one of the most important aspects of why this has been so important to DCI is that these drives, or a movie on one of these drives, can be plugged directly into a player and played immediately without the requirement of a 15-minute to 25-minute ingest. And that's why it's been a very important development in the DCI player specification.
That's correct. I mean, there's basically a couple pieces to the puzzle here with the DX115. We have what we call the receiving frame, and then we have the carrier here. Now, the receiving frame is what you're going to see mostly purchased and installed into the digital cinema server manufacturers. For example, Dolby, GDC, Cube Cinema, Do-Re-Mi, XDC. You're going to see all of their servers with the DX115 receiving frame in it. And then that's different from the distributors who are mainly buying the carrier and the USB adapter that we provided for them. So there's kind of three pieces to the puzzle. And then recently we came out with our new rack systems here for the industry as well. These are only out about a couple months. We have the 1U 2 bay, the 2U 4 bay, and the 4U 8 bay, basically offering multiple bays for multiple ingestions.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your contribution to DCI. This is a really good solution. Thanks, guys.